There's a whole second house inside. What in the hell?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, what's this? What's a crystal?
Okay, this one's just a crystal. You can look at this one, Adam.
Okay, good.
See, you can trust
I told you, Adam, it's a crystal.
Well, I'm already here. This just doesn't think these 7 days.
Alright, motor.
Wise? I just a sign on the door that says wise.
I'm still laughing from earlier.
Let's talk about that. Nathan made me crash the hardest. What did I do?
You said, it's your girlfriend.
Oh. Why? Because you weren't expecting it to come from me?
I wasn't expecting anyone to say that in general.
Let alone Nathan.
They kind of sync up together, but not really.
Whoa. That was an interesting decel rate. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.
Random house in